Hey, welcome back din ng Mini Mage PH. So today, nakuha ko na yung first team bag ko na binili sa Shopee Express. Not a sponsor ng video, even yung seller, but I just want to show you yung binili ko at bakit ako bumili ng team bag. At kung tingin mo magbebenta ka ng Magic the Gathering or any other trading card game or TCG sa Facebook Marketplace dito sa Pinas, then I strongly suggest, especially if you buy a lot of bulk or you're selling bulk cards, multiple copies ng cards, and I think it's good na you buy a team bag. And let's see kung ano laman nung team bag or paano itsura niya. Tingnan natin. And again, shoutout pala sa mga subscribers natin dyan, and thank you for watching. If you haven't watched my other videos, I strongly suggest yung other videos ko, especially for bulk buying, bulk sorting. If you're interested with that, please let me know. Or you're interested with other content about trading card games, especially Magic the Gathering, please let me know. Okay, so eto, naka-pack siya ng box. Alright, so tingnan natin. Okay, dito, sa bandang taas. Ayan, buksan natin to. Alright, so let's see. Ano laman? Okay. So ito yung team bag. So, nice and clear. So, team bags, 100. I think binili ko to for 100 pesos. 100 pesos for 100 pieces ng team bag. And from the seller sa Shopee. Okay? So, again, I've bought the team bag kasi I just wanna send yung cards as, as neatly and as professional as possible. So, ito yung team bag niya. So, I think it can hold up to multiple pieces. Mas maliit siya sa inaasahan ko, mas manipis. Alright, so, there. So, lagay mo yung cards mo dito, Magic the Gathering, probably can hold up to, 10, 12 pieces, and then ship mo siya along with probably meron kang karton and bubble wrap, and then send mo sa buyer mo. So, here you go. Yun lang. Pinakita ko lang yung team bag. Again, this is 100 pieces na team bag from Kaiser brand. Not familiar, not a sponsor, pero may sellers na nagbebenta sa Shopee ng team bag na to. And again, let me know, why do you think you need to buy a team bag? Bakit mo kailangan ng protection, mas decent na wrapper para i-send yung cards rather than using yung mismong booster pack to send it and using a scotch tape. So I just want to share you yung binili ko today. And again, if you like these type of videos, meron pa ako ibang videos about Magic the Gathering, bulk, sorting, and many more. Okay? So again, thank you for watching, and be someone by helping someone. Thank you and have a good day.